Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Washington County in southwestern Alabama, northeastern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Wayne County in southeastern Mississippi, northern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, until 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:48 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Richton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chatham, Tibby, Mulry, State Line, Buckatona, and Fruitvale. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates. Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for southern Dallas County until 2:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:57 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Orville, or 16 miles southeast of Uniontown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Selma, West Selma, Orville, Belknap, Gardner Island, Tyler, Dallas Lake, Old Cahaba Park, Memorial Stadium, Dallas County Horse Arena, Danby Reservoir, Sky Harbor Airport, White's Bluff, Safford, Hazel, Craigfield Airport, Selma Drag Strip, Edmund Pettus Bridge, Selma University, and Crumptonia. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Dallas, Alabama.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.